Python lesson number 15. Today we're going to save your Trinket Python code. Trinket is permanently closing, so let's save your programs. You can save all of your files at once as a zip file, or if that doesn't work, then this video is for you. What you will need today: your Trinket account open, Microsoft Word or a similar program, and a folder to save your work. This is the update about the future of Trinket if you haven't seen it already. Let's get to it. Step 1. Open your Trinket account. You're going to copy each code separately, and make sure the code you want to copy first is visible. This is what it might look like. Now it's time for step 2. Go to Word or a similar program, and you are going to open a blank document. Give it a useful name and leave it open. If you haven't used Word before, this is what it will probably look like. Now it's time for step 3. You're going to set all of the code by using Ctrl+A or by clicking directly in the code editor. Then you're going to press copy or Ctrl+C and it will be temporarily stored on your computer's clipboard. That's how I selected the code. Now press copy. We're already at step 4. Now let's paste it. In Word, you're going to click Paste or Ctrl+V, and you should see your code appearing on your screen. Make sure to keep the indentations exactly as they were. Don't accidentally change quotation marks, spaces, or indentation marks. The autocorrect will try to make that tricky. This is what it looks like on my screen. Now for step 5, we're almost done. Label each program by putting the program's name above the code. Do this for each program you want to save. The labels will come in handy later, so don't forget them. And finally, step 6. This is the last step. You gave your document a name in step 2, so now all you have to do is go to the menu on your screen, choose File, then Save, and you're all done. Here is the final checklist. Make sure every important Trinket program has been copied, each program has a name, code indentation is intact, Word document has been saved, and optional backup copy has been made. What's next? Keep your eyes open. Saving your Python programs is the first step. I'll be posting soon to let you know what program you can transfer your code to, so you can continue working on your Python projects. For now, make sure you have saved all of the Trinket programs you want to keep. Don't wait. Save your code now and stay tuned for what's coming soon. See you soon! Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.